Hi everyone, you might be wondering, is there more than one chart available for each indicator on the California Immigrant Data Portal? My name is Arpita Sharma, and I am a data analyst here at the USC Equity Research Institute. I am here to answer your question, so let's go.
To go and look at a breakdown, we first have to go to the indicator that we're interested in. So first I'm going to start by going over to the indicator tab at the top of the homepage, and then going to the demographic section and selecting the foreign breakdown, which is the first one on the list. So let's click it. Now, when we're on the page, you'll see one main graphic display here. And in order to change the type of chart that's being displayed in this section, we can click on the Select Breakdown button, which is located right here below the title of the chart. So when we click on it, we'll see that there are multiple different options for the types of breakdowns that are available. And we'll walk through a couple of the breakdown options here to give you a sense of which types we have for the indicators across the site. The first one we're currently on, this is a trend breakdown, and this looks at the changes over time for a particular geography. We can also look at the by race breakdown, which breaks down the population for a geography and nativity for several different years. In this case, we also have a filter option available at the top right next to the Select Breakdown button. This filter is for year, and if we select on it, we would be able to look at data for 2000, 2010, and 2021. We can also select the by ancestry breakdown here, which will allow us to look in more detail for specific ancestry groups within a race category. So for example, here we're looking at the breakdown for the Asian American population by ancestry. And we can see that there are certain groups that have a higher percentage of the foreign-born population. So for instance, we'll notice that 82% of the Nepali community were foreign-born, 79.7% of the Sri Lankan community was foreign-born, and 78.8% of the Mongolian community in California was foreign-born. If we go to the filter options located next to the Select Breakdown button, we can select on race and we can toggle this to look at other communities. So for instance, we can look at the Latino community. So another breakdown we have available is the ranking breakdown. And this is a really valuable breakdown because it allows us to compare across geographies in California. So to see the ranking options available, we first have to select the geography type located at the top of the indicator page above the chart title. And from here, we're going to select on county, although you can also select on sub-county or city or place. I'm interested in comparing Los Angeles County to the other counties in California to see who has the highest percentage of the foreign-born. So I'm going to select county under geography type. And then we're going to go to the choose your geography option, and we're going to toggle down to look at Los Angeles County. So when we do this, we'll see that the graphic display updates. And now we notice that Los Angeles County is actually ranked fourth of all of the counties in California for the percent of foreign-born. So you might be wondering, well, who has the highest percentage? It's actually Santa Clara County. Almost 40% is foreign-born. So the last breakdown that I'd love to show you is the map breakdown. So this map breakdown is really valuable because it allows us to visually map our data at different geographic levels. So we can look at the data for the county, the sub-counties, and cities, towns, and CDPs. This is great because we can look at which have the highest percentage of foreign-born by looking on the map. We can see here that 39.9% lives in Santa Clara County, and San Mateo is right up there alongside Alameda County, as well as Los Angeles. So there you have it, folks. You can see that our indicator is not available in just one format, but you can actually see a numerous amount of unique views of our data by clicking on the Select Breakdown option. I hope you enjoyed using this feature, and for more tips on how you can utilize the California Immigrant Data Portal, check out our How to Use section.
If you have more specific questions about the California Immigrant Data Portal, email us at eri.dornsife.usc.edu. And be sure to check out the other indicators on the California Immigrant Data Portal.